So today is Friday, October 19th, and I'm currently in the Turks and Caicos. I'm at a conference called Social Media on the Sand, and I will be speaking today at a little presentation for teens. I've never really done anything like this before. I've done panels and stuff, but like this is more of like a presentation type thing, so a little nervous for that. Also, I have not practiced enough and I need to go over this a lot. So yeah, my presentation is at 2. It is currently 8:49 a.m. We're gonna go get some breakfast, take some pictures, then I'll probably come back, do some homework, and practice the presentation until I have to leave to check in at 1:45. I'm gonna do that, and then I need to just do some more homework, finish my video for tomorrow, and yeah, that's my day. Honestly though, a little bit sad because I don't even think I'm gonna have time to like go to the beach or go to the pool. I just have so much work to do, so this is kind of more like a work vacation. Like I'm not even like taking advantage of the whole Turks and Caicos part. Like literally I've been in my hotel room the entire time doing work. So that kind of sucks, but really interesting experience, and I will take you guys along on the entire thing. Well, at least for today. But first, let me just show you guys the view from this hotel room. It is literally so pretty. I mean, you can seriously see the ocean from the hotel room. It's kind of insane. But anyway, I'm just gonna get dressed to get some breakfast, and then I'm gonna go meet my mom to go do that. Little OOTD for you guys. This tube top is from Urban Outfitters, and so is this skirt. So yeah, let's get some food. This is breakfast today. We got some bacon, fruit, coffee, or kind of iced coffee.
I got smoked salmon.
So second plate, we got more fruit and some French toast, which is really good. I'm also really into this fruit. They have so much fruit here. It's so much better than the fruit in Maryland. But yeah, it makes sense. Like we're in the Caribbean, but it's really good. So I'm trying to get a picture like right here, but it's so bright outside. So we'll see how this works. I'll set you guys up so you can see the whole picture taking process with my mom. So now I think I'm gonna go back to the room and practice my presentation and get some homework done, and you're gonna go to the pool, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, she's gonna go to the pool. This is more like her vacation and I'm just here for the presentation, so yeah. I'm editing the photo we just took, and so I really like it, but there's like one thing in it that's really irritating me, and I thought you guys would maybe want to see it because it's probably like not even a big deal, but I'm like super picky about photos. Also, I'm wearing a shirt. It's just a strapless shirt. So this is what the photo looks like, and this chair right here is really annoying me. It's so tiny and it doesn't even really make a difference, but it's there and I can't not look at it. It's the little things, guys. It's the little things, and I don't know what to do. I might not even post it literally just because of that chair. Comment down below if you think I should still post it or not, if it's even a big deal. If I haven't posted this picture by the time you see this vlog, it's literally because of this chair. Like I'm probably still contemplating whether or not it ruins the photo. So I am so tired. I couldn't even get through my presentation. It's like 30 slides and like a 45-minute presentation. And I was trying to just like, you know, go through it to practice, but yeah, it's too long. I mean, not too long for the actual thing, but too long for me to practice. So kind of just winging it because I haven't actually gone through the whole thing like all the way through because I always get too tired at the end. So we'll see how that goes. But I did finish this project for my neuroscience class. It was like to make a music video out of just like 4 different parts of the brain, and it turned out so funny. You guys can get a little sneak peek of it. It's to the song Mobamba. It's really good.
Neuro. Temporal. Here's calling in all audio. We're not simple with all the your walls. Frontal will have you moving like a pro. Motor, cortex, motor.
So there's that. So now I think I'm just gonna do some reading for English. We're like reading this play called The Goat. Haven't started it yet, but I gotta read it. So, oh my god, I have so much homework to do. Like literally, I've been staying in the hotel room bed all day, like yesterday too, because there's so much to do, but it's okay. We're thriving. We're still in Turks and Caicos. That's cool. So it's about 12:30 now. I think I'm just gonna go meet my mom and get some lunch, and then we're gonna head over to the place where I'm doing the presentation. I am so tired right now. I did manage to get all the way through my presentation at least once, so that was good practice. I definitely needed to do that. It's only like 20 minutes though, and this presentation is supposed to be like 40 minutes, so hopefully they're okay with that, and I will try to stretch it out as much as possible. So yeah, anyway, on to more important things. This is my outfit. It's literally the same thing I was wearing before, except I added on this blazer. Fun fact, this is actually my school blazer that we wear to school sometimes. Also, I am wearing sneakers with this, so hopefully it doesn't totally ruin the vibe. I want to say it's like really fashion forward, but honestly it might just look a little bit trashy, but it's fine. I literally wear these sneakers with everything, so yeah. Okay guys, so this is the room I'll be presenting in, and I think I'm just gonna be sitting over there and then presenting like up there. So I got all my cards ready, and then I need to figure out how I'm gonna click through the slides, hold a microphone, and do this. So we're trying to figure that out right now, having some technical difficulties, but hopefully it works out and people still come to hear me talk. So, how do you create your own brand? We'll start off by asking yourself, what type of content you want to make. Don't just choose what you think will be popular, but choose something that you're really passionate about and that you'll have fun making. Next up, ask yourself what your brand is going to be and what that means regarding who your audience is. What is your persona? How will you convey that to your audience? Who is your audience going to be? Are you looking to connect with a certain group of people? And do you have a message you're trying to convey? So I am back to the presentation. That was a very interesting experience. So I get there at the time I needed to check in, and the presentation like isn't working, so I had to bring my laptop so we could get the presentation from my laptop. So that was also like a little setback, but didn't take too much time. So I get there and they don't have a presentation clicker, so I could like click through the slideshows while I'm presenting, which for the slideshow I was doing, that was like really essential because there was a lot of animations in it, and I needed it to be clicked like at very certain times, not just like for each slide, but like for different parts of my thing. I don't know, but like it wasn't really something I could like get someone else to do, so I was like, okay, so can I get a clicker? And then also I had like flashcards I was holding like while I was presenting, so I couldn't do that, hold the microphone and click through the slideshows. So they were also gonna get me a clip-on microphone. So they said they had all that. They went off to get it. Like literally an hour later they finally got there. It was so awkward because all the people who came to like watch the presentation were literally just like sitting there silently for about 40 minutes waiting for this to like start, and we were waiting on that the whole time and ended up not even getting the clicker, so I had to have someone else click through the slideshows. So I get up there, I start my presentation, I only get to introduce what I'm going to be talking about, and then I motion for them to go on to the next slide, and I guess it's just not working, it won't move slides. So I kind of just like sit there after already having kind of started my presentation, sit there for 5 minutes in silence as they fix the technical difficulties. Looking back, I probably just should have gone forward, but didn't think of that at the time. So I finally get that working. I start going through the presentation. There's still some slight technical difficulties, like it's not being clicked exactly how I planned on doing it, but that wasn't too much of a problem. I just kind of went with it. I don't even think anyone was really looking at the slideshow, really, more just what I was saying. So that wasn't too bad. So then I finished the presentation, and there is supposed to be another like 20 minutes allotted for questions and answers. So I'm like, okay, I don't have any questions, right? And no one raises their hand, and that is so awkward because like I was supposed to answer a bunch of questions, and yeah. So I'm kind of just like waiting there for another like 30 seconds to see if someone's hand pops up. It doesn't, so that was very awkward, and that's pretty much how it ended, and it was super weird. I kind of just like left and said, okay, thanks, bye. It was so awkward. Honestly, I mean, good experience. I do like public speaking and presenting, but I just think how it all went down was very, very awkward, and happy that's over. But that presentation literally is the reason I'm in Turks and Caicos right now. So I'm really happy I did that and super grateful for the opportunity, but it was a little awkward. I want to say that now I can relax, but honestly I have so much work to do. It probably won't be relaxing too much. So anyway, that was my little story time. I think now I'm gonna get dressed to take some pictures again before dinner, and then we're gonna get some food, and yeah. Okay guys, so outfit of the night. This super cute midi dress is from Brightside Boutique, and then I'm just wearing my hair in like a curled ponytail, and of course got my trusty white tennis shoes. So I don't normally wear my hair like this, but honestly I'm like really into it right now. So I think I'm actually gonna skip pictures tonight because I already got 2 today, so I should be good for a couple of days, and we'll do that tomorrow, I guess. Great lighting here, love that. It's riding the golf cart to dinner. Hi, it's really special, honestly.
Wearing a ponytail.
Matching ponytails tonight. Because we definitely look alike.
We look so alike.
Guys, look how round these rolls are. Like, they're literally perfect. So I was gonna show you guys my dessert because it was really cute and pretty, but of course it's all gone. So you're just gonna have to believe me. It was really cute, and it was like this big, but super good. Hey guys, so it's currently a little bit past 9. I am back from dinner, all clean and stuff. Finally washed my hair. It was feeling really gross there. But before I start chilling and kind of getting ready for bed, I do need to record my voiceovers for tomorrow's video, because today is Friday and I'm gonna post tomorrow, so I need to get that done. Little fun fact, voiceovers are literally my least favorite thing ever. I hate doing them so much with a passion. I just really hate voiceovers, but gotta do them to finish up the video. It's always the last step and I put it off so much, but yeah, gotta do it. How about I have you guys kind of stay along for the ride and just see the frustration in my eyes as I mess up every single line. Honestly, laying down in bed while I do my voiceovers does make it a little bit better, so yeah, if you ever watch my videos and there's a voiceover, just know I'm 100% laying in bed while doing it. You know when you're wearing your hair up, now although you can't necessarily, it'll add a lot more, if you doing it like this adds a lot more texture to your, this will help moisturize and okay guys, I think I am finally done. I'm literally so tired I can barely keep my eyes open, so I think that is going to be it for today's vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. I post new videos every single Saturday, and yeah, I will see you guys next Saturday. Bye!